Hello YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Vanessa. So in today's video, I have a super exciting review for you guys. So today we'll be reviewing two new ABH products, the Riviera Palette and one of their new loose highlighters. Riviera is sort of like Anastasia's first ever really colorful palette, and you know I have to get my hands on it because I love colorful makeup. Like, that's my jam. They also released 3 new highlighters. They're all loose highlighters. They released a rose gold one, which is this one, Sunset Aura. They released sort of like a white silver one. I don't remember what that one's called. And they released a champagne gold one, which is called Soul Hollywood. They actually have an illuminator, like in a solid compact. And that one's just like a loose version of it. I don't know if it differentiates. I didn't want to get it because I already have the compact, the solid one. So I was like, I don't really see the point in getting the loose one. So I just went with Sunset Aura, which is the most beautiful rose gold. I'm wearing it today. It's stunning. You guys will see it in action later on. But first, let me talk about the palette. So it comes in this beautiful box that is actually, it has the same pattern as the packaging of the palette. And it's like this, just this very nautical design. So when you open it, this is what the palette looks like. It's stunning. Like, this is so beautiful and unique. The only thing I don't like, which honestly is not even that serious because all Anastasia palettes are like this, they get dirty very easily. Like, I already got my foundation on the back. This is bound to get dirty, but again, that's not a big of a deal to me. What matters is what's inside, literally. This is what this baby looks like. First of all, can we talk about this like flashy navy blue? I'm so here for it. So you get 14 shades, and I got both my highlighter and my palette off of ulta.com. I ordered them without swatching it in store because Anastasia never disappoints. Anastasia has literally the best shadows out in the market, so you can purchase their products confidently because you know you're going to get good quality products. They're crazy pigmented, they blend really easily, and they're just very beautiful. I will post swatches for you guys. So all their palettes are beautiful, but this one is just so unique and so different. I love it. It's such a beauty. Now going into the highlighter, first of all, this packaging is so cute. This rose gold box. When you open it, this is what it looks like. You can't see well on camera. Oh, there you go. It's all glitter. How pretty. The back is holographic. So cute. And this is what the shade looks like. I will post swatches for you guys. This is what it looks like inside. It dispenses just enough product. Never too much, never too little. And I will say that this is a little bit more on the glittery side and a little bit chunkier, which I personally don't mind for personal use. I think it's absolutely stunning. However, I'm just putting that information out there in case you're not the kind of person that likes chunky highlighters or glittery highlighters. I don't know if it's just this one or if they're all the same. I'm just basing it on this one, that it's the only one that I've tried. But I do think the highlighter is beautiful. I think the palette is beautiful. I recommend both products. Like, these are a must for me. If I wasn't human and I was a palette, I would probably be this palette. Like, I'm that serious. But yeah, I would definitely recommend both of these products. If you guys want to see them in action, make sure you keep on watching. And if you guys want to see how to get this look, again, make sure you keep on watching. When I say I'm excited, you guys, I'm excited. I'm not even gonna lie, I did use this palette the other day, but I only used 2 shades. Today I'm gonna try to use a lot more. I'm hoping for at least 4, maybe more, we'll see. That rhymed. Okay, sorry, I'm just really excited. I don't really know what look I'm going for. Definitely something very colorful, obviously. Oh my god. This palette is just so stunning. Okay, so I think I'm going to start off with Bahamas, and that's this pink shade right here. And that's going to be my transition shade, but I'm only going to apply it to the inner portion of my eye. I had to pull my hair up because I was dying. It's hot as hell in my house. Now for the outer portion of my eye, I'm gonna go into this purple shade called Canes. So this is what we're looking like. I think I'm gonna do a half cut crease, and then I'm gonna add a couple colors in there. Okay, I know I said I was gonna do a half cut crease, but then I cut the entire thing. We're gonna see where this takes us. So this is what we have so far. I'm honestly not that good at like doing these like round cut creases. So first off, I think I'm gonna take this yellow gold called Inheritance, and I'm gonna apply that in the inner corners. Okay, in the center, I think I'm gonna go with this turquoise shade called Achilles. Gonna make sure that's blended. Now in the outer corners, I'm gonna go with this pink shade called Palermo. You can't see it well on camera, but it's like a shimmery pink. I'm honestly not sure how I feel about this eye look just yet. I do love the palette. It's just, I don't know if the route I went with was good. But anyways, I'm gonna go into foundation now. I'm gonna use the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation in the shade Syracuse. I'm going in with my Huda Beauty concealer in the shade Sugar Biscuit. Okay, so I'm sorry y'all, but I did do a couple things off camera. I did set my face with the Fenty Beauty Banana Setting Powder, and I applied the Anastasia Beverly Hills Jet Gel Liner on my lower lash line. So now we're gonna smoke that out with the same purple that we used in our outer corner. I think I'm gonna go underneath that with some pink too. And for my inner corner highlight, I'm just using that same yellow gold. So now we're gonna bronze, and I'm using my ABH Cappuccino bronzer. For blush, I'm gonna go into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Peachy Love Blush Trio, and I'm gonna use the middle shade called Ginger. Now for my favorite part, as per usual, it's highlighter time, and I'm gonna be using Sunset Aura from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I'm nervous because this could possibly be too dark for me, but we shall see. Guys, oh my goodness, look at this glow. I think it might be the tiniest bit too dark for me. Like on camera it looks perfectly fine, but then actually it looks fine in the mirror too. If I blend it out properly, it's not too dark. What do you guys think? I mean, this is beautiful. It's absolutely blinding. But do you guys think it's a good shade for me? Let me know what you think down below. But oh my goodness. You guys, I still can't get over this highlighter. Like, this glow is out of this world. Out of it. For lipstick, I'm using Dulce de Leche by Kylie Cosmetics. So this is the finished look, my loves. Excuse my hair, I'm not having a good hair day. But yeah, this is the palette in action. The highlighter, honestly, I love this palette. And the look turned out better than I thought it was going to, so I'm glad. But yeah, I would definitely recommend this palette to anybody. To any and everybody. But yeah, that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Remember, if you want to book an appointment with me, just email the email down below. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time.